start by removing your headlights, and make sure to unplug everything before you remove them. And in this clip you can see how bad they really are. And it's even chipped in the corner, and the other one even has a crack, which I didn't show. And in this clip I'm going to be removing 6 screws that hold the lens to the headlight, and make sure you don't lose the screws. So I put a wooden platform at the bottom so it's not touching the metal because it will melt your headlight, and I put it in there for 220 for 9 minutes. So now that the glue is heated, you should be able to peel the lens off, but be careful because it's extremely hot, so make sure to wear mittens. When peeling the lens off, be careful not to crack anything because it will crack. And if you are customizing your projector lens, then make sure to remove it first and make sure to clean everything before you put it back together. So I chose a heart, but you could choose any sticker you'd like. My sticker was 3/4 of an inch, so if you're looking for something similar, I definitely recommend. And just make sure when you're putting it on, it's in the middle because you don't want it on the side. It's gonna look a little funny. So now I'm just screwing the lens back on, and make sure it's just like hand tight, not too tight. And I'm using the 2X Motto headlight sealant to seal the headlight, and make sure you use enough but not too much because it will go everywhere and it'll be a big mess. And this is my brand new lens. I'm so excited about it. And now you're just gonna wanna press it in and it will snap in, so make sure it does. Now you're just gonna wanna screw everything back together and make sure you don't strip the screws. And also make sure it's just hand tight. It doesn't need to be too tight. Now I'll be putting it back in the oven at 220 degrees for 10 minutes. And squeeze it together and make sure it's completely sealed. And now you're all done. Make sure to subscribe and like for more.